Hey everyone, we're going to look at how you can use the lightning rod to trigger a command in Minecraft Education. Alright, so the lightning rod here. So the little scenario that I've got built up is that we're going to kind of summon some lightning to this lightning rod and basically change this terrible, terrible weather. So here's my lightning rod. I'm going to place it here on top of this blue block. And what I've done underneath is I've got a / clear weather command, basically. And so if the lightning strikes the lightning rod, it'll kind of basically pass the signal through and trigger this here. Now you do need to know the exact coordinate of the lightning rod, okay? Not standing on top of it, not the one above the rod, the actual rod. You need to know that actual position. So here, that's what I've got. So / summon lightning _ bolt to that exact position, 531.33.107. So you can see I'm standing at 34, so it's one below me. And so this is what we're going to do. So at the moment, it's not great weather. It's a very stormy night. We're going to utilize this lightning, and here we go. Pull it through. It just got struck by lightning, my lightning rod, and that triggered that command, and the weather is starting to clear. There is no longer any lightning or thunder. I can even check that. It says that it changed the weather to clear. And it's that simple. That is how you can use the lightning rod to trigger a command block. Anyway, hope you have fun using it. We'll see you again soon. Cheers.